Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to do planar tracking in Mocha AE inside the After Effects. This is my original footage which I am going to tracking in Mocha AE. Before going to Mocha AE, I will make sure my comp setting and sequence import settings should be the same. Once I sure, I will export this footage to Mocha AE. Select the footage to go to the animation menu. Select a track in the Mocha AE option and press enter. You will see another application open is on your screen. Here I select register later and this is your project settings. This is the import clip path. Mocha will associate with After Effects. Another tab is project name. I leave it default name as in After Effects comp, and this is the location where you save the current project. Mocha will automatically take the path where the sequences come from. This is the frame range of the entire sequence. You can modify the limit as per your tracking requirement. And I double check frame rate and pixel aspect ratio with the After Effects. Once everything is fine, I press OK. Now our entire screen is in the timeline. You can zoom in and zoom out simply backward slash and star key from the right side num keypad. Next I am creating a rectangle shape over the laptop screen. I select the Create X Spline Layer tool. Adjust the point according to the laptop screen and keep your mask outside the laptop screen. And select all the point and right click, select the point option, select corner. If you notice, one layer is created with the rectangle. Let's adjust the track settings. I select here auto channel and minimum pixel use 30%. In the motion tab, I active perspective options. As you can see, the camera change its position and the camera perspective is change. In this shot, camera movement is not too fast, so that I will select here small motion. That's it. Next, make sure you are in the first frame and I press the track forward option. Now tracking is a start. It takes some time and I don't want to stretch this video, so I will back after tracking is done. After finish the tracking process, I select Show Planar Surface option. You will get one blue rectangle wireframe on your screen. Hold down the Z key and press the left mouse button and drag it for zoom in and zoom out. Place this blue wireframe perfectly on your laptop screen. You can also active this planar grid option on your screen for checking your tracking. You can see both the top point of the surface planar sliding a little bit. I will solve this issue with the adjusting the track option. Select adjust track, make sure you are in the first frame and move the point. You will see here in the timeline one green point is created. That is the key, and go to the last frame and adjusting it. The same thing I will do in the another point. Now switch to track option and select the insert clip option. You can import your own clip or the frame to check the tracking. And here in the drop down menu you will have some other options. You can check this option and it's up to you. Once I happy with the tracking, I will export this tracking data into a notepad file and select the second option, After Effects Support Corner Pin with Motion Blur. I keep this file into the project folder. Here you can see in the notepad file we got a tracking data from the Mocha AE, and I will use this same data for corner pin inside the After Effects. I selected all the data with Ctrl A and copy it. Come back to After Effects, import PSD file which I made in Photoshop. If you wish to see how I made matte for the screen, you can check the link in the description. Select both the layer and press A for anchor point and match the anchor position according to the sequence layer. And copy the tracking data from the notepad file and before paste over the matte reference layer. Make sure you are at the first frame. Let me check this with video. Now everything is fine. I will do here one more thing, apply camera lens blur to the matte reference layer. I keeping here blur radius 2.0 as you can adjust according to your shot. I hope this video gave you some useful knowledge. Thanks for watching.